Welcome to RSA Passive Income Academy. The next pair that we'll be doing today, it's called against US dollar. So as you can see, our model starts by indicating price flow, price ceiling, price flow, price ceiling, price flow based on the market flow and the market momentum. And thereafter, with our price flows and price ceiling, they would leave the footprint for price clutter. As you can see, there's a price clutter here, price clutter, price clutter, price clutter, price clutter. Thereafter price clutter, we look at the dumping zone. Then my dumping zone, dumping zone, dumping zone, and then collecting zone, right? With that being on the chart, and then we look at the highest point of price ceiling where I put my expansion zone, and the lowest point of price floor where I put my construction zone, and there is my equilibrium level, which is equal distance between the price ceiling, price highest price ceiling and lowest price floor, right? So the next thing is to look at the momentum of this pair. The momentum, of course, is based on the fundamental analysis, nothing else, right? So, and the fundamental analysis is divided into two. We look at the fiscal and the monetary. Fiscal, it's the political event where it's either a change in any government structure for that particular country. So here we focus solely focusing on United States of America. Right. If there's any changes on government key representatives, then definitely it's gonna show on the price. If there's any change in terms of political structure, it's gonna change on the it's going to flow on it's going to show on the chart. And if there is a change in terms of treasuries putting more money based on the discussion with monetary policy, which is of course quantitative easing that is controlled by uh, fiscal, but it is done by monetary, which is done by Reserve Bank. So if there's any change in that, also definitely is going to show on chart. So moving on with day to day of changes or month of month or quarter of the quarter, week over week, mostly the monetary plays an important part in terms of the flow of the pair, right? So right now we have NFP that is coming on the following week, which definitely is going to show that momentum of the chart. But most of the time, 99.9%, you already see the flow of the chart before the data is already, even before it's released. And as you can see here, and with my analysis also that I do on the side, besides looking at just the numbers and the data, I can see that the gold is currently in an upward momentum shift, right? As you can see, this is the upward momentum shift. So with gold, I'll be looking for long. No compromise, I'll be looking for long unless the upcoming week data is indicating otherwise. So I'll be looking for long. I'll be looking for gold to form in this expansion level to form price flow and price ceiling, internal price flow and price ceiling, break down and go to close to equilibrium or construction level, then form the appreciation level. Then on the appreciation level, I'll be looking for long. I will definitely be looking for long. Probably by then we'll have an internal collecting zone. I'll look at a 5 minute time frame. If there's an internal collecting zone that is being formed, then I'll put my stop loss below the internal collecting zone. Then I'll be looking to maximize for 1:2 to the upside direction. So that's my first target, 1:2, because my strategy has been back tested, and 1:2 is the minimum that I received. So if I do not get 1:2, it's either I lose the trade or I break even, right? Maximum I can go up to 1:5, right? But this is how I manage my trade. So as soon as I enter the trade, I go to break even, then the trade move to my direction. As soon as it reach to 1:1, then I move my stop loss to break even. And once the trade goes to 1:2, I move my stop loss to 1:1. Then from 1:1, I trail my stop loss in order to maximize my profit. So that's the money management, right? So in terms of psychology, if I see something that is changing on the fundamental and on chart, I have to reassess in order to uh, see I am still happy with the upside momentum, or the data that has been released shifted the momentum to the downside. Then I have to reassess and see if there is short trade that I can take. But for now, let us trade, let us make money.